Hey there, meteorologist Wes Wyatt in the Fox 6 Storm Warning Center. So far, the forecast on track, at least for our area today. You will notice to the north how close this is. And if you have travel interest north on 65, we're getting reports of major icing south of Nashville. Look, that is an ice storm warning and the darker shading there between Huntsville and Nashville. Even north of Tupelo in Oxford, Mississippi, some heavy glazing happening. And in the far northwest corner of Alabama, that is a winter storm warning that you see. Now, for us right now, thankfully, the story is rainfall. We've had just a few isolated pictures and reports from higher terrain around Blount County, far northeast, of a little bit of ice development, but that is quickly changing over to rain. I drew a line here on Viper. This is where some of the heaviest rain is developing at the moment, and soon we could have some storm development here. This will all be marching eastward. This will impact our drive home today, but no ice, but just rain at this point. But look to the north, around Tupelo, Mississippi. That is all that pink shading, freezing rain, sleet, a wintry mix. That's where the freezing line is parked at the moment. Now that cold air is going to be on the move again later today. You see we're okay right now, above freezing, but watch Hamilton. I want to take you through about 7 o'clock. Notice the big drop-off, 30 degrees. Coleman, 7:30, we're at freezing, and look how close the radar still, or at least the model data, holds on to that precipitation. So that is awful close. That cold air is kind of high on the hills here as we move into the nighttime, and that could cause some flash freeze issues. So black ice, areas where we have heavy runoff. Look at Coleman by 11:30, 24 degrees. And then through tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock, low 20s there to the north. So this is something we need to keep a close eye on tonight with any residual moisture. Yeah, there could be maybe a brief wintry mix, but the big concern is the residual moisture tonight. That could cause some icy patches tomorrow morning. The wind's going to pick up once the rain tapers off, so that will cause a little bit of evaporation and help us out with respect to ice on any bridges or overpasses, but certainly we could have some trouble spots. So that's what we're watching tonight after 6 o'clock. Just be extra cautious. Black ice possible beginning in the northwest as that freezing line works southward, you see, after 9 o'clock, and then even places as far south as Rockford and Ashland after 11 o'clock. Temperatures below freezing. If there's any water on the road, it could certainly freeze in a few spots. So that's what we're tracking tonight. Very cold air on the way. Still looking like the coldest morning early Thursday, down into the low teens. We'll probably stay below freezing all day Thursday. JP is back. He'll have the latest at 5 o'clock on Fox 6, so be sure to join us then for the complete 7-day forecast.